What's up? Today I'm going to show you a guide of how to fix a game that's not responding.
Before we start, quick tip, the easiest way to skip all the steps in this video and avoid future bugs or errors is to just use ExitLag. If you get it through my link in the description, you'll get an extra discount, and since it's Black Friday week right now, it even stacks for a bigger deal. Alright, let's jump in.
As a first step, click on the search box and type in Device Manager. Here, click on Device Manager. After that, click on Display Adapters. Then choose your specific graphics card. Right-click and choose Update Driver. Here, click on Search automatically for drivers. Then click on Close and close the windows. This method is not always sufficient. If the problem hasn't been solved yet, download the latest driver from the internet. Open a web browser and type in the model of your graphics card. In the description, you can find links to download drivers for all sorts of video cards. Download the driver. Once downloaded, start the installer. Click on the Agree and Install button. Log in if necessary. Then click on the Drivers section and click on Search for software updates. The software will find any updates. Then download the updates. After that, close the application and restart your computer. Try to start the game again. Now, if that didn't work, click on the search box and type in Graphics Settings. Click on Graphics Settings. Search for your game in the list. If you can't find the game you're looking for, use the Browse button to add the game's startup file. Choose the game and click on the Options button. Select High Performance Mode and then Save. You can now close the window. Start up your game library. Click on the library and search for the game. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Click on the Installed Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files button. Wait until it finishes. When it's ready, click on the Browse button. Then right-click on the game application and click Properties. Click on the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program in compatibility mode. Try Windows 7 and Windows 8 mode. Also, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. The Run this program as administrator option doesn't always work. If it's enabled, it might cause the game not to start, but try it anyway. I only recommend running in low resolution as a last resort, since it decreases quality. Click on Apply and OK. And finally, you're ready to play the game. If that didn't work, click on the search box and type in Updates. Click on Check for updates. If any updates are found, download them. Once the download finishes, restart your computer. And after that, go to the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on the time. Now click Adjust Date and Time. Make sure Set Time Automatically is turned on. Also turn on Set Time Zone Automatically. Then click Sync Now. Once it's done, close this window. Right-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon in the taskbar. Choose Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Proxy. Then click Setup under Manual Proxy Setup. Turn off the User Proxy Server option if it's on. Then click Save. Let's run a few commands to refresh your network settings. Go to the search bar at the bottom. Type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Now, one by one, type or paste these commands. ipconfig release. ipconfig to flushtons. ipconfig renew. netint IP reset. netch winsock reset. Press Enter after each one. When you're finished, close Command Prompt. Then restart your computer. If that didn't work, try resetting your network settings. Right-click the network icon again. Go to Network and Internet Settings. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Then choose Network Reset. Click Reset Now. Then confirm by clicking Yes. Your computer will restart. Let's change your DNS server. Search for Control Panel and open it. click Network and Internet. Then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left, select Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your current network. Click Properties. Scroll and double-click Internet Protocol version 4, TCP type EV4. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. Type this. Preferred DNS server, 8.8.8.8. Alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Then close all windows and restart your PC again. That's it. Your game should respond again. Thanks for watching.